right, so we're here with Barbara Herendeen out in Antioch, and Barbara, you just went solar recently within the 2019 here, and just wanted to ask you what made you look into solar and what made you eventually go solar.
Well, it's interesting. I lost my husband last year, and as a result of that, my income obviously has gone lower. And I wanted to look around the house to see ways that I might save money. And I was aware that you could get a state refund on your taxes if you went solar. And so I decided to do some research on it to see if I would really save that much having a single story home. And that's how I met Tim. And he was so helpful, really answered all my questions. I never felt pressured in any way that I had to make a decision right away or everything would be lost, We discussed everything, and I told him that I'd even checked with other companies to compare. And the bottom line was I felt very comfortable with his personality, with his answers. He gave me his home address. He gave me references that I could check, which I did before I went ahead. And I saved a lot of money. And I decided to purchase and pay up front rather than to take out a loan. It was the best decision I ever made. I'm getting more coming back to me, you might say, in interest than if I had invested it in a CD or put it in a savings account. The money is working for me every day. My bills last summer that were in the 300s, almost 400 because it was so hot. Right now, I'm paying $10 a month for my electricity, and I couldn't be more pleased. That savings has helped me so much in other ways that it was a godsend.